hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone for a while, okay? Now, this is the yarn. I'm using brown. I don't know if I like it because usually I use black. All right, so as you can see here, I am prepping the hair, and to prep the hair, I have to detangle it, and I put some moisturizer at the end, and I move on to adding my jam at the base of the hair to help sleek it down so that I can be able to, get all the little frizzy hair into the twist. And as far as prepping the yarn, the day before, I had like I said, I measured my forearm 2 times, and then I cut the yarn, and basically it had to be the length after I fold it in half, like I have it folded in half here. That length would be the length that I use. And as far as each twist, some of them I did with 12 pieces of yarn. Some I did with even 14. And then towards the end, when I noticed that my yarn, I was running out of yarn, I ended up using 11 for a couple. So basically, I fill out the chunk of hair to see if it's too thick or too small. Then I managed to divide it that way just so I could have enough yarn. But I would say that you need about 2 bundles of yarn to do this style, depending on how thick you need it to be. But yeah, 2 bundles should be able to give you this style, because I used 1 bundle with a couple strands from the last time I used this hair, because I used to have 2 bundles and I only used one because I mixed it with black when I did my niece's hair. So I only had 1 bundle left with a couple strands, and I managed to fit this hairstyle. Hopefully this is helpful. If you guys have any questions, please ask me in the comment section below. So, and as far as the twist go, as you can see, to get that invisible look, I part the hair in half, the section that I want in half. Then I place the yarn in the middle, and I twist my hair with the yarn first before I start doing the twist. And once I do the twist and it reaches the length that I want, I pick out the longest strand at the bottom, and I turn it around as I'm doing right here, and I try to tie it, and then I make about 3 or 4 knots to make sure that it stays in place. And then after that, I went ahead and cut, but I make sure to cut the yarn past where I made that those knots. You can make as much knots as you're comfortable with, but some I made 4, some I made 3, and towards the end, I just went ahead and make sure I feel where that knot is, and I make sure to cut below that knot. And then that's it. You can go ahead also, and depending on how long the style is, it was short, so I didn't want to burn the end. But on the other video that I have, where I was braiding, well, when I did the yarn twist for somebody else, the yarn braid, I believe it was yarn braids, and I burned the ends for her. But for this one, I didn't burn the ends because I wanted to experience it this time without the ends being burned. Because sometimes when you do burn the ends, it gets stuck into your clothes and it tends to have lint in it and so on. And we are in a pandemic. I'm not really going anywhere, so I did not burn the ends, and I guess I'll let you guys know how I feel about the ends not being burned, since it's the first time I am doing that. And also, one of my subscribers mentioned to me a while back that you can also dip the ends of your yarn after you burn the end. I haven't done that yet, but according to her, and I have seen other people do it on YouTube, after dipping it, it does make the end of the yarn a lot more flexible, where it's not as stiff as when you just burn it and leave it like that. And also, I forgot to mention that as I am twisting the yarn with my hair, I'm also making sure to wrap the yarn around my hair before I twist it. So just to avoid my hair from poking out too much. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but it's not, I didn't have an assistant for this video. So hopefully it was visible enough for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Because when the hair is well, when the yarn when the yarn is black, it's hard to see, but being that I'm using brown, it's a little more visible. And as you can see at the top here, there's one of them I twisted the wrong way, so it's not looking like I wanted to, but I was too tired. It was 1 o'clock in the morning and I did not want to be record that one because I had already did the knot at the end and already cut it, and I didn't have enough yarn, so I couldn't make the top as neat as I wanted to. But for the most part, I think this turned out decent. Bien vite pour moun ki ap gade m ki plus pale kreol yo, m devle fè nou konen ke pou m kapab realize stil sa, pou m te kapab prepare fil lan, mwen make sure ke mwen koupe fil lan longe ke mwen dezire yan, mwen te itilize ponyet mwen an 2 fwa et den mwen koupe l pou m te kapab jwen longe ke mwen te vle yan. Et pou kapab jwen ni gwo se ke m vle yan, mwen te genyen nan cheve yo mwen itilize 11 bout fil, gen c'est 14, gen c'est 12. Ça va dépendre de comment vous voulez twist là paraître, si vous voulez le paraître chiche, si vous voulez le paraître gonflé. Ça va dépendre de vous-même. Et puis, plus gros vous voulez, plus fil ou ajouter. OK? Et puis, pendant que moi ap tressé cheveux, avant que moi fèl, moi bout de cheveux moi prend, moi séparer li en deux. Et puis après ça, moi mette cheveux en mi-temps, moi rouler cheveux avant que moi commencer faire twist là. Après ça, moi marrer pointe là, me faire 3 ou 4 nœuds dans pointe là. Et puis après ça, moi couper. Moi pas bouler pointe yo, moi juste couper li, moi quitter le comme ça. So moi souhaiter que ça te aide nous. Si nous avez question, pas hésiter poser une question dans boîte là. Alright, y'all, I'm done. This is the finished product, and this is the following day. Let me know if you tried this style. Let me know how it worked out for y'all. Okay. Again, I'm definitely gonna try this style another time, and hopefully I give enough information in the video so you guys can try it on your own. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Mwah! Bye, y'all.